combine and have that view over there, that's just pretty awesome. That's almost as awesome as watching that Mike Les guy on YouTube. That is one good looking tractor and grain cart. It's really windy. I can't promise you good tractor audio in this video. Hey everyone, I am out here with On Track Farming as they are planting corn with their new Fendt 943 Vario track tractor, pulling a Horsch Maestro 24-row planter on 30-inch row spacing. As you can see by the dust coming off the planter, it is very windy today. Buy a windsock for your camera, they said. They're very cheap and they work very good. That's true to an extent. The winds were blowing, I think, around 40 mile an hour today, and the windsock, yeah, when you're out in the field like this, it can only do so much. But anyways, I got some pretty good video of this tractor and planter in action. We just have some wind noise in this video. Other than that, the temperature is almost 80 degrees. It's sunny. I'm just south of Gibson City, Illinois. The dirt's dry. Planting conditions are perfect. It's actually a wonder my DJI Mavic Air even flew in this. There was times when I was trying to fly it forward into the wind and it was getting pushed back. But hey, it was able to hang in there. I am very impressed with what this little drone can do in this kind of wind speed. The Fendt 943 Vario tractor is built in Jackson, Minnesota and is an AGCO product. As far as I know, this is the same thing as a yellow Challenger. I've actually been seeing these painted Fendt green for several years on semi-trailers going down Interstate 74 and Interstate 70 heading to Baltimore for export. These are now available in North America in the Fendt colors and the Fendt name, and this tractor is powered with a 9.8 liter Tier 4 final 7-cylinder diesel engine rated at 431 horsepower. This tractor has a CVT transmission and has several track widths available from 16 inches wide up to 34 inches. This tractor also has a top road speed of 25 miles per hour. The information I am giving you is pulled off the Fendt website. As far as the Horsch planter goes, their North American distribution is out of Mapleton, North Dakota, which is just west of Fargo, North Dakota. So if you're going down Interstate 94, you will see their facility on the north side of the interstate. I have a little over 11 minutes of total video here. As I said, you will have to put up with some wind noise. It was very windy today. This very same farm was also planting soybeans just a half a mile down the road, with their Challenger 1050 tractor pulling another Horsch planter, so stay tuned for that in a future video. That's going to do it for this video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. As I said earlier, great video, poor audio because of the wind. I get messages every day from experts out here telling me how to improve my videos as far as the windsock and all that, but when it's windy, and a windsock can only do so much. Usually the people that give me that expert advice have no videos of their own anyway, so what do? Anyways, hit that like button if you like this video. Feel free to comment below. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. You can also find me on Instagram and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. And as always, thanks for watching. Check back often. Still a lot of good content coming to my YouTube channel.